Good morning. It's like 10:30 a.m. I took a shower, I started some laundry, and I'm about to do my makeup because turns out I found my niche on TikTok, which is ex-Mormonism. And I'm kind of really enjoying being a safe space for other ex-Mormons and also people who haven't left the church yet, to kind of help them through that if they're also wanting to do so. So I'm really happy about that, actually, and I'm gonna take this opportunity today to reply to a few comments so that I can kind of give a little bit more information on what I've experienced and hopefully create more of that safe space. So I'm excited. Well, shit, because my fucking sourdough doesn't look like it's really great. But it smells so good. It smells like fucking bread. No fucking shit, bitch. But I gotta mix that bitch up. And yeah, that's different. I don't know why it is that thickness, and that's scaring me, so hopefully it's not as scary as it seems. Everything is not what it seems. I mean, like, it's still bubbly, so I really fucking hope. I don't know. It's never been this thin. It's not scary, but today is the day that we're gonna do the float test if she fucking rises. I should have done it tomorrow, or I mean, I should have done it yesterday, but that's okay. Clearly we got new flour, and I'm struggling to open it. Okay. Oh my god. I didn't realize this one was too big for this, and I just got a little on that. Whatever, I don't care. Okay. I'll just add a little extra after I clean up my mess. Trying to gauge just how much extra. Okay. Not from the sink, bitch. From the water bottle. Why am I holding it like that? I don't know, girl. I'm just a mess today. Genuinely a fucking mess. About the right consistency. Let's pour in the new jar. Gotta clean up. just did the float test, and our sourdough starter is floating. So I think that means we can use her, but I am not gonna use her today, so gotta figure out what to do with her now. Okay, so I didn't vlog it because we were on FaceTime the whole time, but my friend Jen and I and her son, and Dalton of course, watched Beetlejuice on Max because it just came out for streaming, and had so much fun watching that together over FaceTime. And now I am exhausted, honestly, and it's literally only 8 p.m., but I'm gonna just edit the vlog and go to sleep now.